Yeah, so today we'll discuss about the privilege that you have in your organization, the commands that you can able to run in your organization. So that's why I've decided to create a video for a beginners or for the people who want to understand about the privilege levels. So let's get started. And again, welcome to my channel Dynamic Coder. So today we'll start with creating a topology where I have used two routers and I have the already configured the interfaces. Okay, so here let's start with creating a privilege levels. The first is the privilege exact mode, config mode and interface mode. First of all, you want to learn the levels of privilege. The highest level of privilege is privilege level 15, where you can able to do anything. Like it is just the administrative level, like the admin in your organization can able to run any of the commands. It's just similar to that. Okay, so here I also want to tell you about, like, there are three levels. Like I have already written the exact mode, config mode and interface mode. So it works just similar. Like if you want to run any of the commands related to configure mode, so you should have to type the configure level. Like what happened, like first you are, okay, let me write here and will make you understand. Like first you are into the user mode. Okay, when you enter to the router, then when you write enable, then you reach to the privilege level, right? Okay, then you want to write configure terminal. So the configure terminal command is under the privilege level, so you should have to type under exact mode. Like whatever comes into the, yeah, so like privilege level is just like your enable mode, or the exact mode is just similar to the privilege level. So like when you enter to the configure terminal mode, and you will type interface gigabit or any of the interface that you have, so which comes under the configure level. So like you have entered to interface gigabit, so it is your interface level. Okay, so like after that you will type obviously the command of IP address, for example. So IP address command comes into the IP interface, IP address command comes into the interface level. So whatever commands comes into which level you should have to type. Like it's just orally I am just talking about, but if we'll start using it on our topology, it will be more simpler. Okay, just look into my topology and my configurations, you will get to know everything. Okay, so here is the router. Okay, and first we'll use the create the telnet using the VTY lines. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, now we used to create the usernames. Username, I'm using another username as Alex. Okay, and I'm type his privilege level as 3. Okay, and password is I'm using the simple password as Cisco. Okay, I want to create one admin here which used to have the privilege level of 15. Like you can able to use any commands like what you have in your organization. Okay, so here we are done with. Okay, now when you enter to this router and we'll use to use the telnet, just look into it. Enable command. So enable, then configure terminal. enable if I'm using the telnet. Okay, now he's asking for the username. Okay, so let's type the username as Alex, the password is Cisco. Okay, so when I enter to the router, if I'll type the configure terminal, so if you type the command configure terminal, you can see the configure terminal command is not working. So you should have to go inside here. You will type configure terminal, then you should allow started doing allowing the particular commands like privilege exact is the level. Okay, exact 3 is the person, the level of the person. Okay, which command I want to run is configure terminal. Why I'm using exact mode? Just because the configure terminal comes after the exact mode, like the privilege mode, privilege level. So that's why we have used configure terminal. Now when we have allowed the person, if you will type configure terminal, he can able to use that command. For example, interface command. So let me show you here that I can able to run the interface command or not. As interface gigabit, you can see the interface command is not working. Again, the interface command comes into after the configure level. Okay, so privilege configure level is of a person is 3, then I should have to type the command as interface gigabit 0/0/0. Okay, so this is the way you should have to individually type the command, and you should have to allow the person. Now you can see the person can run that command. For example, let me check with no shut command, which obviously included into it. No shut I can use. If I type the IP address command, the IP address command is not working. Again, IP address commands comes into the interface level. So I'll type the interface privilege interface level of a person is 3. Then I have to use the command as IP address. So I have to allow using the IP address command. I have privilege interface level of a person is 3. Then which command I want to use is IP address command. Okay, so let me type IP address now. You can see now it is incomplete, but it is okay. If you want to check a person's privilege, so I'll type show privilege. You can see the privilege command is not enabling here. So the show command which is under the exact mode. Okay, so I should have to type here is privilege exact level is 3. Okay, then which command? Show privilege. Now a person can able to use that command using show privilege. You can see your privilege is at 3. The privilege level of a person named Alex. So this is the way privilege level works, and it is as simple as that. If you have any question regarding it, do write into the comment section, you can see below. I'll very happy to help you out. Okay, and thanks for watching my video. If you really like my stuff, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks for watching.